Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson, the souvenir. Through the previous video, you came to know that Siley and her friends, along with teachers, have reached on the moon. Their shuttle landed successfully and safely on the moon. They got some of the precautions instructions by the receptionist. Let us learn the some of the paragraphs of this lesson through this video. So here we begin with a jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. So, as the trip was there to the moon, and the children had to stay on the moon for 3 days, different programs were arranged on the different 3 days. So, what is that? It is the fact on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. So whatever the 3 days of the trip were going to be part of night time. So as it was night time on the moon, the children were enjoying the trip. So for the first day, what program was there or what the experience that is given? So the first day's program was Skywatch. Children were enjoying watching the sky. So as the story is taking place, what would be the condition at that time of the earth? So it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. So this sentence shows that the pollution on the earth had increased. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. So this paragraph or these lines shows the condition of the earth, that is about pollution, increased pollution. Let us see, uh, as the first day's program was about Skywatch, so what the children watched, that is given. So the children watched the disk of the earth. What is it? In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. So, whatever size of the moon we observe from the earth, 13 times bigger than it, the earth was looking from the moon to the children. And what is it more? It was 70 times brighter. So, it is observation as the program was of Skywatch to see that or to see the beautiful enchanting. Here the word enchanting means attractive, beautiful and attractive view made Siley and her friends ecstatic. The word ecstatic means very happy or very glad. So, observing the sky, the children went to sleep. They were very happy, excited, and comfortable at that time. So, as it was the program of Skywatch on the first day, let us see what about the next. The second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. How would be the circus that is given? So, here, whatever circus is being discussed, it had unique feature. What unique feature is that? Let us see. That is about sitting arrangement. The spectators, that is what? Viewers, or here the children, were made to sit in the tent and the circus was going on outside. So it seems little funny because if you have been to circus, you might have experienced the circus goes inside the tent, as well as the sitting arrangement is also done inside. So here the sitting arrangement is done inside the tent, but the circus was going on outside. Why? Let us see. High jumps and long jumps were the special attractions. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. What is the reason? The gravitation force observed in the on the moon. Due to that, as it was not possible or to make the circus funny, attractive, it was conducted or it was going on outside the tent. What is further? Let us see the last paragraph we will discuss through this video. On the both the days, beside the main attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements on the moon. What was about that? It was expected that the student should spend some more time for self-study. So, as the students were there on the moon, they should learn. They should some. They should learn some facts. They should do some self-study about it. So, for that purpose, what the teacher did? Teacher gave them or teacher assigned them the task. What task? Writing an essay how they spent their time on the moon. So it was the work given to student as a part of self study. What they have to write additionally, places they visited, what they observed, etc. So Siley and her friends had travelled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. So it was about the program of the second days. What children did on the third day, we will see through the next video. So I hope you will all understand the given brief explanation or the summary of these paragraphs.